Several weeks ago, I promised a video just on what's sold for clothing and accessories. And since this is a short week with Labor Day, and I'm short on time, I have a short video for you on clothing and accessories. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to our channel. As I said, this video is just for clothing and accessories. If you like what sold videos, please check out my playlist for what's sold on the channel Avante-Avenue. And you'll find plenty of what sold videos. The first category is women's clothing. Chico's size 2 tank top for $14.95 plus shipping. A Talbot's tank top for $14.95. Everything will be plus shipping. Natural Reflections boho style pullover with empire waist, $14.95. This is a dated look, but it's sold. Charlotte Russe with a peplum hem, $14.95. Everyday tee plus size 3X for $8 plus shipping. And in a video quite some time ago, I mentioned how my local consignment shop sells almost every everyday average brand for at least $8. So it's sold at a consignment shop price. Just My Size 2X for $9. New Directions pullover top for $15. I really like finding button-down blouses. This is a Hollister, sold for $15. I think this is pronounced Alia, size 16, sold for $20 plus shipping. Cato brand, size XL for $20. Lucky brand, size small, sold for $14.95. Worthington Woman, size 2X for $20. Kim Rogers, size large, another button-down shirt, and this one is linen, sold for $14.95. Maggie Barnes is a great brand to find, size 2X. This is a used jacket. In the consignment shop, it probably would have been $8 to maybe $12, and it's sold on eBay for $30 plus shipping. Love that. Jones, New York, sold for $13. New without tag, and I say that because it had some tags on it, just not the price tag. Westbound Women, plus size 3X, sold for $20. New with tag Kim Rogers, size 1X, sold for $20. Faded Glory, just a pullover V-neck top, sold for $14.95. Kokomo, size small, sold for $14.95. And I should say here that I don't pay more than $1 for my clothing, sometimes less if I buy a bag of clothing on clearance at a local thrift store. This is a Madison Lay petite dress, sold for $14.95. And by the way, I no longer pick up small size dresses. They're too slow of a sale. RQT, size large jacket. Took a long time for this to sell. Finally sent an offer for $10 and got it out the door. Bongo, size medium studded denim jacket for $14.95. Tommy Hilfiger, blazer jacket in brown corduroy, sold for only $10. I've had some of these clothes for a long time, and I'm just trying to clear them out. So $10 on offer. A Christopher & Banks size 10 denim skirt, sold for $20. CJ Banks size 22 denim skirt for $14. Normally I get a lot more than $14. Liz & Company size 12 denim skirt, $14.95. Gap jeans size 12 denim skirt for $16. And this is definitely vintage. Court City Blues size 14 long denim skirt, sold for $15. Let's jump over to men and boys clothing. Ocean Pacific 100% silk button-down shirt, sold for $15. M&M's I Love New York t-shirt for $15. And Mark was going through his shorts, and I said, wow, let's try a few on here. I was very happy to sell 2 pair of Croft & Barrow men's size 38 Bermuda shorts, 2 pair that we could have easily just donated. Sold them for $40 plus shipping. I got these Ted Baker London shoes at a garage sale. The tag on the bottom said $195, so I was hoping to get a lot more, but I ended up accepting an offer of $40 plus shipping. I've stopped picking up boys t-shirts. This Roblox video game t-shirt sold for $10. I stopped picking them up, but I still have plenty in my inventory. This Superman boys t-shirt, $12. These shoes were free at a garage sale. All we had to do was clean them up, so free to $30, not too bad. Found this hat recently at a church rummage sale. Bristol Motor Speedway, sold it for $21 plus shipping. And this Adidas Tennessee hat sold for $24.99 plus shipping. Next is jewelry and accessories. I just want to show you here how I have bagged up my sterling silver jewelry. Not only have I marked the bags 925, I have ounces on the bag. because I always weigh my sterling silver. I have a jewelry scale, and so I like to put that in my listing. And this pair of earrings sold for $17 plus shipping. And I rarely pay more than $1 for a piece of jewelry, oftentimes less, because I typically buy jewelry in lots. That's why when I show you jewelry in videos, the reason I pass it up is because I have a lot of jewelry to sell. This is a listing with variations sold individually. Select option from drop-down box. Sold this Christmas tree pin for $10. That's just showing the back side of it. And from that same listing with variations, I sold this little deer pin featuring 2 little deers for $10. It is really hard to draw attention to unbranded costume jewelry, so I'm thrilled whenever it sells. Vintage enamel pierced earrings, nothing really special about them, but I probably have 10 cents into them and they sold for $10. And this pair sold for $11.95. I say handcrafted pierced because I bought them from a lady who handcrafted them. I didn't make these. Again, think about how hard it is to describe costume jewelry. What do I have here? Vintage gold tone metal, pierced earrings, post dangle, black enamel. Somebody found them though. Sold for $10 plus shipping. And these are a recent church sale find. New. I should have put legwear in navy blue, brand new, 6 pairs of socks for $15 plus shipping. And another pair of sterling silver earrings. These are vintage with a screw back, and they feature an amethyst. When I list my jewelry, I put everything in individual bags and then inside a larger zip closure bag with the date on it. And you can see I've numbered them to help me find the jewelry when it sells. I hope that makes sense to you. And that date goes into my custom label, and I pulled out this pair, number 5. Vintage sterling silver screwback earrings, as I said. You can see the custom label, date 11/21/21, number 5 from that day. So I'm using the date and the number of the earrings to help find my inventory. And then of course I store it all in the same drawer. Really pretty design. Sold them for $18 plus shipping. I'm going to give you a little package ship on these earrings. At the Dollar Tree, I picked up a pack of these thin foam sheets, and I put the earrings on the foam. I just screwed the screw back down till the earrings were tight. And I'm doing this one-handed here, so bear with me. And I just rolled it over to protect the earrings. Applied some tape. It wouldn't fit back in the Ziploc bag, so I got a little bit of plastic and wrapped around it. Added our thank you label. And then, because our packages need to be 1 inch thick to qualify for tracking, I bought a bunch of these little pillow envelopes, cardboard pillows, and I just put the jewelry in there and fold up the ends. And then I put this in a padded envelope so I don't have to stuff a bunch of bubble wrap in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and I'll see you soon.